Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. All ideas are new and unique. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas for you. Look at this. Wonderful and amazing ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, or you can also save the video. These are kitchen organization ideas. You can take the idea from this video. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you can receive the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. I always try to bring some unique and new ideas for you. Look at this. How wonderful ideas are. From which country you are watching my channel, let me know in the comment section. And also let me know your good name so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. I hope you are enjoying the video. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, or you can also save the video in your gallery. Look at this. How was the video? Let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye-bye.